Hello everyone, welcome to Crafting with Pretty Science Canva edition. In this video, I'm going to show you how to package your images, your graduation templates, how to package them to sell on Etsy or on your website. Okay, please pay attention and let's do this. Okay, this is all you get. You can scroll down. Let's go here. You will get all this in the bundle plus mockups. Okay, let's go to one of these. I'm going to show you the example and then you're going to do it yourself. Scroll fan, I'll click on here and go to the scroll fan. When you will have this and all, and then you can make a copy because I'm in my own page, that's why I show like that, but it will show you to make a copy. Let's see. So this is the template that you're going to sell. Be sure to tell your customers not to resell them if you're not selling it PLR to them, if you're just selling them for them to use. Okay. This is everything. This is what they're going to use. Okay, this is what they're going to use for the customers. If they have Canva Pro, they can change the page, the sheet, how big the sheet is. Okay, you can use these as mockups for your business. Okay, and then put your own logo. When you come in here, you can delete mine. You can delete my mockup. Okay, so this is let's say this is a template. Yeah, this is a template that you're going to offer them. It's up to you if you want to sell them the mockups. Okay, it's up to you. If you don't want to sell them the mockups, you can delete them, copy them, and bring them somewhere else where you can use them. Okay, so you come in here to share this. You go to Canva Home, like here, and you create a separate paper, 8.5 by 11. So you create this right here, and then you go to text here, choose the text, and you write down thank you for your order. Okay, you can put it in whatever font you want. Whatever font, you can come in here and change the font. You can whatever color you want. You can have your logo at the background and everything. Thank you for your order right here. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate this so that I don't have to go back there. I'm going to select this here and I will write down here like click here. Let's put this in another tag, another color. Choose your brand colors. Let's say we have this here. Click here. Let's say we have click here in red. It's up to you what color you want to put it. Okay. Click here. And now you're going to put the name of the file you're going to sell. I'm just going to duplicate this and make it again. Let's go back here. The file is the scroll fan frame. Go back here. Put it, double click it. Scroll fan frame. And then you can put this here in another color. Let's say green. Select all and then select green. Okay, you can also put it in another font if you want to. There are different fonts here that you can. And then you will go here. Let me tell you, this here you can download this. You can download it as a picture, a separate picture like a PNG. To download it, you go here and go to download, and then you will choose this page 4. Deselect all and choose page 4. Okay, and then you download it. We download this one. It will come in PNG form. Okay, it's saying so. I used something here that I was not supposed to use. But if you can download it if you have Canva Pro, like you just download it and have it as a PNG. Okay, in my case, I'm going to snap it. Use my snapping tool. Let's snap it. Okay. I come in here and I'll paste it. For you, you need to download it. Okay. To have it as a PNG. If you have a snapping tool, you can snap it with it. So this frame, go back here to my to this one here, and I'll go to share. In here, you will find the link to share a template link with your customer, okay? So that they have their own copy, so that they don't come in yours and work in yours. Okay, you come here, go to share, then you click on here. When you click on here, it will create the design is shared publicly. Anyone with a link can use this design as template. And you have it here. And then you copy it. Copy this template link. And then we come back to our to here. We have the template copied on our clipboard. Now you go and you select this. Select it until it's covered like this. And you see this here. Is the link. You click on it and it will open for you. And now you go Control V. You paste the template link in here. And then you click done. Okay. And just click here done. And you see here. Now it's showing you that this here will take you to the scroll fan area. You see it's you see here it's underlined. When you click on it and you click to the scroll fan, you see it will open the scroll fan for you, and it's showing you, look, this person is sharing a template with you. Okay, so this is what you're going to create for your customers to sell. You're going to create it for each one of the bundles. Okay, you're going to create it for the scroll fan. You're going to create one for this one. You're going to create one for this one for the numbers, so you can sell them separately in your shop. Okay, if you want to sell the whole bundle, it's up to you. Then you go here, open another page like I showed you, a blank page. You go here and then you share the template link. Then you copy, create a template link, and then you will share this. Okay, and then you will but please change those things in here. Change my name out of here and all those things, and put your own. Make it your own, and then create a template link, and then sell it like this. So this is what I wanted to show you. It's doable. If you want to sell all the images, like the frames, separately, you will have to go in each one separately and create a template link and create one of these blank pages for all of them. And when you have this created, okay, this, you need to change this. You need to change the thank you for your order. You just put in there scroll fan link. Put a scroll fan link. And then after you create this, you go to share, and then you go to download. And this here, you're going to download this as a PDF standard. Okay, PDF standard. And then you download it. Okay, if you have more of these on this same page, you need to choose the page you're downloading. Don't download them all at once. Choose choose the page you will download. You want to download, choose that page and download it. And the PDF that you have chosen, that you have downloaded, sorry, that's what you're going to upload in Etsy. Okay, you're going to upload it in Etsy as a digital file. And when they order from you, they will get this in their computer. Okay, and then when they click on here, it will take them to Canva, into the scroll file where they can use it. Okay, so that is how we do it. Let me see if I can take you to Etsy. When you come in Etsy, you go to listings, then add new listing. We're up here. You say you're selling digital files. Okay, I made it. I did a finished product. When did you make it? 2020 to 2024. Okay, continue, and then you will put it here what you're selling, grad fan and all those things, those words, and you will upload a picture of it, okay, with your logo on top of it. just like we did the snapping, like the snapping one here. You upload the mockups. Why did it come? Yeah, you upload the mockups that you created right in here. Put your logo on here, okay, in Canva so that it can come with it. You put your things and all that. And for digital file, you're going to upload the PDF, okay? You know the PDF, you see it right here. That's what you're going to upload. Upload it right in here, okay? So this is what your customers will download. Go down and fill out your stuff, your description and all that. Tell them that it's from Canva. They will get a PDF and they order. Put your price here. The quantity, you can put it onto 999. You can put it this. Okay. Category, you put the category in here, like you fill out a word and then you put it. Text, you put your text in. Graduation fan, scroll fan, Canva template, Canva frame, drag and drop frame, and all those things. And you can put all those what you have here, you can put them all in here also. Okay. And then you put it in your shop section. If you don't have a shop section, you can create one, like add, and then you create one, and then you put it and put it on manual, not on automatic. Put it on manual because graduation season is only for a couple of months, no, like 4 months. You don't want to pay for this listing the whole year. Okay, put it on manual. So when graduation season is over, it will go to the unlisted part and you can list it again next year. Okay, and then after you have all your stuff filled out, okay, you can click on publish and then you publish it on Etsy. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you. I hope this short class helped. If you sell them on Etsy, you will sell. Compare your prices, like compare your prices with others, see how much they're selling them for, and then you can add some dollars on top of yours. Okay, make a convincing description. Um, yeah, and promote them on social media. You will definitely sell. Thank you so much for watching.